Today we're making a yellow cake. And we need 1 cup of water, a half cup of oil, and 3 eggs. It makes 24 cupcakes. But today we're making a 2-layer cake instead of a cupcake. And set oven to 350 F. Let's go set the oven. Bake. Start. So now let's go. Step number 2, beat cake mix. Water, oil, eggs in bowl. With mixed on medium speed for 2 minutes. Pour back. Put the half cup oil. Now let's put the 1 cup of water. And now pour it into the bowl. Like that. Now crack the eggs. Now we poured an egg. Now we put 1 egg. And now we're going to put the other. Now the other egg. Since we already put 2 eggs, I'm going to put the 3rd egg. Now it's coming out. Okay. Well, you already put 3 eggs. Now we're mixing it. Now we just do this. Now I'm going to mix it with this. We should mix with this. Let's do this. Now we're done, so let's pour into the pans. Like this. pour the one, and then
careful.
we're done pouring it into the pan. So the third step is bake. And put it into the oven. Now we put it into the oven, so it's gonna bake for some time. Now let's go check how long we have to bake. So you have to bake 2 8-inch rounds, 34 to 38 minutes. The cake is done, so let's turn it off. Now the cake is done, so later we're going to put icing after we dump this. Now we're going to put the icing in the bottom of it. Now we're done with the first layer, and now we're going to put the second layer on, like this. And now we need to put Now we're done with icing, and we made a heart symbol, and we'll put sprinkles in it. Now we make the heart symbol. So now we're gonna sprinkle everywhere else. Now the yummy cake is ready. I can't wait to taste it.
It was smelling nice when it was baking. And we like the smell of it too.
So
we're gonna cut the cake and try it. It's gonna be a yummy one. Now we cut a piece, and now we're taking it with a spoon.
And now
we're gonna try it and see the taste.
Can't wait to eat it.
But I want to have one too. That was delicious. The cake was so yummy.
Thanks to my teacher for the cake mix. And I hope you liked this video. And please subscribe to my channel. Bye.